One of the most important things we can continue to do as we go into fall is to continue watering our plants. As things cool off, as we kind of get into our fall activities, that may be something that we just kind of set aside. It's not summer, it's not the heat of the summer, so we're not thinking about it as much. But our landscape plants, in particular things that have been planted, in the last year or two, will really need to continue to be watered as we go into fall, as we get through this late summer, especially this late summer heat. So one thing you want to think about is making sure that we get about 1 inch of water a week on there. And that may be from rainfall, so you can monitor if we do get some rain, so that's something you won't have to worry about quite as much. But the other thing would be is to continue to supplement that rainfall with some irrigation. And you can do that either with just setting a hose around the base of a tree, using soaker hoses, kind of a low volume sprinkler, that sort of thing. And then testing that soil using at least a 12-inch long piece of rebar, screwdriver, something like that. Making sure that we're getting moisture down at least 12 inches. While it's still in the 80s, we want to make sure that we're looking at watering at least twice a month. As we get into the 70s, at least once a month. And then we continue that really until the ground freezes. So until we've had maybe 3 or 4 days in a row of highs in the 30s. And then as we go through the winter, if we have some warm days, it's really important to continue to give our plants some water.